Wyatt. He's gonna introduce you to a stunt. And he just tripped. And he back planted.
Shut up!
Hey, they can see your face, you know. Hurry up. Hurry up, you little butt. Alright, dude, now you come and hold the camera. Dude, come on. Hurry, dude. We each get a minute-long turn.
This big penis is Justin. He sucks at getting on the camera. Loser tricks, huh? These are the loser tricks.
You eat the crap. Woo! Alright guys, now let's start. It's called the Humper.
Whoa, dude. Sorry, audience. Sorry, audience.
End.
Where's the end? I can't find the end button.